Good morning, everybody. It is 8:41. I think we woke up at like 7:45 this morning. Yeah, Ben's just chilling, Charlotte's just chilling, Graham, I think I just heard him wake up. I am currently working on my Walmart Ibotta haul so I can get that done with. Just hold on, honey. I'm currently working on my Walmart Ibotta haul so we can get that done. I probably have to go one more place today, and then Graham says he's gonna work at 10 to 6 so that I'm gonna have him help me with something when he gets back. But today I am going to go to Walmart, post my video. I am gonna start get ready to start packing. I'm probably just gonna bring like a tote to my mom's house. I know it's weird, but it's just easier bringing everything in a tote for like all the baby stuff and everything that I need. Luckily I don't have to bring the height chair, but I gotta bring bibs and I gotta bring Charlotte's sippy cups and all that stuff. So that's what I'm looking for that. And then I'm gonna probably work on a cup a little bit and then get some breakfast. I kind of wait on eating breakfast sometimes. And then I gotta start cutting out for some shirts because that's gonna take a long time for them to cut out. So I'm just gonna cut them out, but I'm not gonna make them today. I'll make them when I get back, but as long as they're cut out and I can flatten them out, that'd be awesome. So that is how my day is going. I just want to get some stuff done. I don't want to leave this house to a mess, so we're gonna have to clean it up. I'm debating on what time to leave tomorrow. I think I might leave like after Charlotte's first nap. I'm not sure. I don't know, but sometimes it's like I just want to get going. I want to get going. Oh, and I want to go to Old Navy today. I have $10 cash, and then I have $10 super cash to use, so I might go there. But yeah, that's just how my day is going. I'm gonna finish I gotta figure out how many rebates I need all together, and then we'll leave once Graham leaves. And yeah, so I'm ready to have some productive
hey you guys, so it's 11:30. I took my sweet time getting dressed. I had a banana for breakfast. I just don't know why. I'm glad I don't have like a huge appetite, but we are heading to Walmart. I'm gonna go to Starbucks real quick and get another cup because I gotta do something else to one. And then we're just gonna go to Walmart and then head home. Ben said he wanted to go to Old Navy with my mom when we're in town, so we'll just go to that Old Navy instead because I've never been to that store, so we'll go to that one anyways. But yeah, when we get home, I'm gonna try to film the video and then just get a bunch of stuff picked up, cleaned up, and packed up. So that is my goal. And then start cutting some stuff and start working on some stuff because I gotta pack all my jewel stuff. So that is my goal for the day. I'm going to the post office right now because you guys sent me coupons, which I absolutely love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I haven't been to my post office in forever. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I haven't been to my post office in forever. And I got somebody else's mail in my post office. Now I've had my P.O. box for almost 3 years now. And this person wrote like grandma and grandpa, but then they had their address below about my P.O. box. And I didn't realize it when I got my mail and I brought it home. Well, I caught my mail lady. I says, hey, I didn't check my P.O. box for a while. And I ended up getting somebody else's mail. And it was probably sitting there for 2 or 3 weeks. Going on now a month now. And she's like, okay, I'll put it in their mailbox. Well, I get to the post office on Saturday, and it's in my post box again. So I'm going there right now to get more mail to catch my post office is only open till noon or 12:30, noon 12:30, because it's such a tiny little post office. So I'm gonna go there, and if it's in there again, I'm gonna talk to the guy because it's like, this is ridiculous how I keep getting this little girl sent something to her grandma and grandpa, and I keep getting it. So that's where we're going first. Okay, you guys, so it's 1:36. I just got done with my Walmart Ibotta haul. I can't believe I got $70 back with Ibotta. So I had a thing where if you made 2 purchases at Starbucks, you got 50 points, and I'm just kind of gaining my points. So I got something new. I always get a vanilla bean frappuccino. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink any coffee. But I did order a s'mores frappuccino without coffee, so we're gonna see how it tastes. It's actually not that bad. I don't taste I taste like the chocolate. I don't taste any like graham cracker taste. It's not that bad. It's actually pretty good. You want to try it? No? It's actually pretty good. Like, I like it. So now we're heading home. Charlotte's taking a nap, so we're just kind of slowing down. But yeah, I'm going to go do my video when I get home, and then we're going to relax for the rest of the day.
So it's like 9:05. Graham just walked in the door. Ben's all hyper. I'm not going to put him to bed early because we're going to be gone for the next 4 days. So that's what we're going to do. I've been working on the cup all afternoon, or for the last couple hours. I didn't finish it, but I'm hoping to finish it tomorrow. But I'm going to take it with me to my mom's house. So we got that. Sorry, I've been kind of just MIA. I got to work on a video right now. Hopefully I can post it tomorrow. We will see. But yeah, nothing exciting. I just turned my laptop on to have it with me for this week. I got to bring my batteries, which that reminds me I got to bring my batteries. But I will catch you guys back all tomorrow on our little mini road trip to my mom's house. You guys have a nice day. See you guys later. Bye-bye.